Good morning, my friends. Ahmad Yakzan here from the American Dream Law Office, where we help you with all your dreams of America. You can always call us at 1-888-963-7326 to help you with your immigration problems. I'm posting this video from beautiful Phoenix, Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm here at the Rainmaker Institute, learning some ways, some new tricks to serve you better. But I'm here at the Talking Stick Resort and Casino, and there are a bunch of ways to gamble away your shirt inside this building. But it made me think of a really important question, and I want to ask you that question: would you gamble away your American dream? Think about it. Would you gamble away your American dream? Would you take a gamble? Would you go to one of those roulette tables inside the building and bet your American dream? You know, there's a good chance you might actually win, but there's a better chance of you losing and getting deported. And the reason why I ask that is very important. When you're actually fighting to stay in the United States, would you hire someone who doesn't know what they're doing to help you with your paperwork, or to go to removal proceedings and actually defend you when they don't have a clue what they're doing? And I ask that question because I've been doing this for a very long time, and I see this in one of two ways. Number one, someone who just hires a notario, and that notario fills out the paperwork not knowing what they're doing and sending it to immigration, and that might actually have some serious consequences. We'll talk more about that for a second in a second. But the second problem is someone who goes to some lawyer who does everything, and we'll also discuss that furthermore in a second. So on the notario question, if you're having heart surgery, and I mean, with all due respect to nurses, you wouldn't go and hire the nurse or the intake specialist outside the hospital, outside the ER, to do your surgery. If you're having a heart transplant, you wouldn't hire someone who's doing the valet outside the hospital. Again, with all due respect to all these people, you wouldn't hire these people to actually put a valve in your heart for you to survive. So why would you hire a paralegal, quote unquote, or a notario to file your immigration paperwork? I have seen that several times. Someone who even has a removal order on their head, previous removal order, would go and to the notario and actually file their paperwork without even thinking about it. And that might actually put you in more hot water than you were in. So I would actually go speak to at least an attorney and an immigration attorney at that point to file my paperwork with USCIS. Now, here's a second problem. Someone who goes to any attorney, an attorney who does everything: personal injury, criminal defense, everything, including immigration. Now, when we're going back to the heart transplant. If you are having a heart transplant, you won't go to a general practitioner to actually help you with a heart transplant. You go to a cardiologist who's done this a million times before to help you get your surgery, to do your surgery on you. So why would you go to any Tom, Dick, or Harry and to file your immigration paperwork? You need to hire someone who's an immigration attorney who only does that, and really you should tailor that and find out what it is that you really need, whether it's naturalization, whether it's a green card application, or whether you're in removal proceedings. I would actually go find someone who's done that before and who specializes in the area of immigration law. Now, you should see the books that immigration lawyers have to read to practice immigration law. It's not just filling out paperwork anymore. It's become very criminalized, and anything on your record might actually stop you from being admissible or make you deportable outside of the United States, and might actually land you in more hot water than you think. So what I would do is when I actually am looking for an immigration attorney, and trust me, when I was getting my green card, I hired an immigration attorney. I didn't do it on my own, even though I actually do this. I would think to myself, what kind of attorney do I need? If I'm applying for naturalization, do I hire someone who actually does naturalization and can take it all the way to federal court and sue the federal government to get you your citizenship if need to be? If I need someone because I'm in removal proceedings, who am I going to hire? Am I going to hire someone who's been to the immigration court where I am and actually defended people before? If I have asylum, have these people actually done asylum cases before? It's not just filling out a piece of paper and going to immigration and submitting it. So again, I go back to the theme of the video. Would you gamble with your American dream? If you don't want to take that gamble, call an attorney like myself and pay for a consultation and sit down with them and have them do an analysis on your case and see if you should actually file for the benefit that you're actually looking for before immigration, before doing it on your own. Honestly, you'll be doing yourself a disservice if you start doing immigration benefits on your own. Again, I'm not the attorney for everyone. I would love to earn your business. Give me a call at 1-888-963-7326. Or if you've used an immigration attorney before, go back to them. It will be better than doing it yourself. Again, don't gamble with your American dream. Call an immigration attorney. Thank you so much. Please comment and share this video if you like it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, my friends.